Hello everyone, and welcome to your weekly Web3 Infrastructure Digest. I'm here to bring you the most important technical updates and GitHub activity from June 23rd to June 30th, 2025. This past week has been dynamic, with critical protocol advancements and significant releases across the ecosystem. Let's dive in. First up, Ethereum. Ethereum released Geth version 1.14.0. A significant update resolving a stall condition in eth_get transaction by hash, fixing bugs in the new log indexer, and boosting log indexing performance. They also made database writes fully synchronous again and refined EIP 7702 transaction validation. Next, Polygon. At 0x Polygon expanded their API offerings with new endpoints for short interest, short volume, and US Treasury yields. This provides developers with deeper access to crucial market sentiment and macroeconomic data, alongside improved flat files documentation. For Linear, Linear Build is targeting beta v3 for Sepolia by late June. Recent GitHub updates include vital gas optimizations for blob submission and finalization, more granular contract roles, and a contingency mechanism for block finalization, enhancing network resilience. Moving to Blast L2, at Blast's GitHub, shows continuous development with recent updates to its opgeth and optimism components. This ongoing work underpins their infrastructure, even as the network saw a significant token unlock of 10.5 billion Blast on June 26. Vase saw a key upgrade to the NeoX testnet to version 0.4.0 on June 23, as Base's underlying infrastructure now includes ZK-based DKG verification and execution support, along with a new NeoX FSIG fork, bringing enhanced security and performance. For SCI, SCI Network is actively pushing its EVM-only architecture. The SIP 3 update, which passed its initial governance vote, aims to simplify and accelerate growth by streamlining the network specifically for EVM developers. Swell Chain made a strategic move this week. Swell Network.io joined Radius Alpha Engine for sustainable MEV capture through secure block building. This innovation directs backrunning MEV directly to restakers, strengthening their proof of restake model. Unichain saw a critical protocol alignment with the release of its mainnet Isthmus network upgrade. Unichain updated its opnode and opgeth components for the Isthmus hard fork, ensuring network compatibility and stability. ZKSYNC had a notable release with ZKSYNC Era Core, version 28.6.0. ZKSYNC's update features eth_sender gas limit calculation, improved EIP 712 transaction handling, and a stakekeeper protocol upgrade sealer, alongside Foundry updates. Arbitrum's SDK releases continue to enhance developer capabilities. Arbitrum's updates include support for non-18 decimal custom gas tokens and crucial L1 to L3 bridging, alongside a terminology shift from L1 and L2 to parent for child for broader compatibility. Optimism is driving decentralization with ongoing governance system updates. Optimism's OpAcceptor for v0.1.4 was released, improving test run result status codes and fixing a segfault, reflecting continuous development across their superchain ecosystem. For BNB Chain and OpBNB, BNB Chain's version 1.5.16 for the Maxwell hard fork, targeting June 30th, will reduce the block interval to a rapid 0.75 seconds. OpBNB_networks, recent hotfix modifies its sequinter size config for correct function after BSC BEP 524. Solana's June 2025 network health report highlights impressive resilience, boasting 100% uptime for 16 months. Solana also optimized compute units via the Pinocchio library and boosted fee throughput by 80% with a new scheduler. Mantle's opgeth and Mantle v2 repositories saw recent updates. Mantle_officials releases include DA license, DTL performance optimization, and enhanced security features, supporting their modular blockchain architecture. Finally, for Scroll, while specific core protocol GitHub releases for this week were not highlighted, their 2025 roadmap outlines ambitious targets for fortified security, massive scaling to 10,000 TPS, and Web2 level user experience. That wraps up our Web3 infrastructure digest for this week. The pace of innovation is incredible, with developers pushing boundaries across all networks. Stay tuned for more updates next week.